Everyone, how are you? I hope you are well. Today we will start revision of history, chapter 2, part 1. In previous classes, we have revised chapter 1, part 1, 2 and 3. Now we will revise chapter 2, part 1. Students, ये chapter name Rise and Spirit of Islam. Its key terms Ahadish, Anjil, Astorable, Convention, Khalifas or Caliphs, Prophet, Quran, Rasulullah. Student, it's very important. We have already read emergence of Islam. In the 7th century, common era, the final complete revelation of Islam was made by Prophet Muhammad. It spread rapidly and thus became one of the most popular religions of the world. Images of Kaaba, जो कि मक्का में है स्टूडेंट्स. Kaaba is a grand cube-shaped building. It contained a sacred black stones. Muslims believe that it came from heaven. An annual convention is held at Makkah to worship Kaaba. Besides being a religious center, Makkah was also situated on the major trade routes. Prophet Muhammad was born in Makkah. इस बीच स्टूडेंट्स कुछ बातें याद आ रही हैं. कीपिंग योर माइंड सम इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग्स. आपके चैप्टर के लास्ट में रिमेंबर कॉर्नर है, आप उसे लर्न करते रहना. उससे बहुत सारे ऑब्जेक्टिव्स क्वेश्चन निकलेंगे. मे बी अगर ऑनलाइन टेस्ट आपके होते हैं तो उससे आपको बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्प मिलेगा. उसके अलावा आपके बुक में बहुत सारे क्विक रिविजन्स हैं, क्वेश्चंस हैं. ऑल आर इम्पोर्टेंट स्टूडेंट्स. ओके. Prophet Muhammad was born in 570 Common Era. He was orphaned at an early age. He was brought up by his grandfather and uncle. He became a herder. When he grew up, he worked for the wealthy widow Khadija. He spent his maximum time in meditation. His preferred place for meditation was Cave of Hira. At the age of 40, he had visions of Ajin Jibreel. Ajil Jibreel worked as a mediator between Allah and his messenger. Student, images of Cave of Hira. Teaching of Prophet Muhammad, we have already read. Prophet Muhammad preached the message of Allah to his followers from time to time. These messages were compiled in a book. This book is called the Quran. It is the holy book of the Muslims. It is written in Arabic. 5 pillars of Islam. Besides Quran, similar hadiths hold an important place in Islam. They are teaching of Prophet Muhammad. The hadiths are compiled into different books like Sahih Muslim, Sahih Bukhari, Ibn Majah and Tirmidhi. The life of Muslim is governed by the teaching of Quran and Ahadith. Ahadith state that all men are created by God, so all are equal. It's your quick revisions in your book. Fill in the blanks. The final and complete revelation of Islam was made by Prophet Muhammad. Question number 2. The Arabs were divided into several tribes on Qabila. Question number 3. At Makkah was the only unifying factor among the Arab tribes, Kaaba. स्टूडेंट, ये जो क्विक रिवीजन के क्वेश्चंस है ये फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स के फॉर्म में भी आ सकते हैं या क्वेश्चन के फॉर्म में भी आ सकते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. Prophet Muhammad was born in 570 Common Era. The Quran is the holy book of Muslims. All Muslims must visit Makkah at least once in their lifetime. Take the correct statement and cross the wrong ones. In the 4th century Common Era, the final revelation of Islam was made. क्रॉस. ये 4th century में स्टूडेंट नहीं, ये 7th century कॉमन इरा में. द काबा इज अ ग्रांड क्यूब शेप्ड बिल्डिंग विच कंटेन्स सैक्रेड ब्लैक स्टोन्स. ठीक. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. ऑल मुस्लिम्स मस्ट परफॉर्म 5 एसेंशियल ड्यूटीज कॉल्ड द 5 पिलर्स ऑफ इस्लाम. ठीक. नंबर 4. एवरी मुस्लिम शुड ऑफर प्रेयर्स 4 times a day facing the Kaaba. क्रॉस. Some involves donating to the poor. Cross. 6. The Hadith are the teaching of Prophet Muhammad. take. Spread of Islam. The large number of people accepted Islam. They followed the teaching of Prophet Muhammad, but the rich people of Makkah did not like him. He therefore left Makkah and reached Medina in 622 Common Era. This is called Hijrat. Spread of Islam under Caliphs. After Prophet Muhammad's leadership passed to the Khalifa or Caliphs. Caliphs means deputy or successor. They ruled on behalf of the Prophet Muhammad. Abu Bakr, Umar, Usman and Ali were the first four caliphs. They were called the rightly guided caliphs because they were the close companions of Prophet Muhammad. उनके निकट के जो साथी कहेंगे स्टूडेंट, उनके जो फ्रेंड कहेंगे वो थे. They ruled between 632 and 661 Common Era. The Umayyads. After Ali, the next caliphs were the Umayyads. Their capital was at Damascus. They ruled for about a century. They conquered the regions up to Samarkand in the east. Turks. The Turks were nomadic tribes of Central Asia. They become followers of Islam. They conquered different regions of Asia. They established a grand empire. You will read about the impact of the Turkish rule in India in later chapter. We have already read in previous classes. Students, it's your quick revision. Give one word answer. Name a caliphs. Abu Bakr. Number 2. Name the empire established by the rightly guided caliphs. Caliphate. Name the capital of Umayyad. Damascus. Name the most famous Abbasid caliphs. तो यहाँ पर स्टूडेंट होगा हारून अल रशीद was the most popular Abbasid caliphs. These are important questions, students. Question number 1. How did Prophet Muhammad become Rasulullah? Answer. It is believed that the angel told him that Allah is choosing him to spread his divine message across the world. Prophet Muhammad saved his vision with his wife and family. They become his followers. They accepted him as the messenger of Allah, Rasul Allah. Question number 2, with reference to the teaching of Prophet Muhammad, answer the following. What are Quran and Ahadith? Question 2A answer. Quran is the holy book of Muslims. It is written in Arabic. It contains the main principle, prayer and stories of Islam. Ahadith, singular hadith. जैसा कि मैंने बताया था स्टूडेंट के ये plural form है. Singular hadith hold an important place in Islam. They are the teaching of Prophet Muhammad. Question number 3. What was the What are the 5 pillars of Islam? Answer. The 5 pillars of Islam, which are as follows. Number 1, believe in one Almighty and Supreme Allah and accept Prophet Muhammad as the messenger of Allah. This is called Shahada. Number 2, every Muslim should offer prayers 5 times a day facing Kaaba. This is called Salat. Number 3, Muslim must fast from early morning till sunset during the holy month of Ramadan. It is called Saum. Number 4, Muslim must donate a certain amount of their earning to the poor. This is called Zakat. Number 5, this is called Zakat. Or number 5, all Muslim must visit Makkah at least once in their lifetime. This is called Hajj. Number 3, name the rightly guided caliphs. Why were they called so? Answer. After Prophet Muhammad's leadership passed to the Khalifa or caliphs. Abu Bakr, Umar, Usman and Ali were the first 4 caliphs. They were called the rightly guided caliphs because they were two close companions of Prophet Muhammad. Okay students, it's important questions. These are important questions. Do it in your rough copy and learn it. Today class is completed. Thank you.